Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. The second type of relationship is one-to-many. In this type of relationship, each record in a column of first table will have multiple records in the column of second table. To create one-to-many relationship, drag and drop the column from one table to another. I will drag product ID from price table to purchase table. We have created a one-to-many relationship. Double-click on the relation to open the Edit Relationship window. In this window, we can see that the first table selected is purchase and column selected is product ID. The second table selected is price and column selected is product ID. We have many-to-one relation already selected. That's how we create one-to-many relation between two tables using the same column product ID.